So Mustafa,
Yes.
thank you for being with me for this conversation. So first, maybe could you introduce yourself and the company to our public, to our audience?
Okay. I am Mustafa mechanical engineer. I am the chairman of the company. MEMAK is in Turkey, in Konya City. We are manufacturing chocolate machines, bakery lines, cake lines, starchless jelly molding lines, and we are doing confectionery machines from 29 years. We are now in industrial zone, Konya industrial zone, located in Konya industrial zone, and we have around 700 colleagues we are working with together, and we are exporting around 100 countries. It's a small summary of MEMAK.
Very good. Thank you for that. And I'd like to ask you about the cooperation between MEMAK and Mitsubishi Electric. So you are one of the very loyal customers of Mitsubishi Electric. So could you explain what are you searching for in the automation supplier? Why do you cooperate with us?
Really, we make trials with other brands a lot, and we test the other brands a lot. But when you compare with the Mitsubishi, what we are using, we have really very good service. We have really very good courses, educations to our guys, and also really good support to our end customers. And that they are really cooperative company. Mitsubishi first, we can say like that. And the secondly, also when we check their mentality of the company, it seems it's close to our Turkish culture. This is some of the reasons. But in the shelf life of the parts, it's strong materials, and really it's working well and continuously without any problems. So we don't want after sales service a lot. For this reason, we are using Mitsubishi Electric.
Okay,
This
very
is
good.
some of them, maybe. We are happy, and when we compare everything, Mitsubishi is much better. For this reason,
Well,
we are using 15 years Mitsubishi now.
It's very nice to hear that. And we used to use the slogan global partner, local friend. And I think that this is a good example of this.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's focus a little bit on your machines. So what we can see here on the show is that this market seems to be very competitive. So why customers are using your machines? What are the key strengths of your technology?
We are doing the machines to the also big companies, like global companies, we can say. But also they know how to make the products, so they have good ideas to improve the machines. MEMAK is doing almost 95% of the parts inside MEMAK. It means we have a very huge milling machines, CNC machines, also sheet metal cutting, like a Mitsubishi laser cutting machines also we are using. So we can redesign it, rebuild it, renew it very quickly, very easily. For this season, this is the one of the reason. And then it affects the machine capability up. And it has more advantage to the customer, to the end customer. So we are very close to we can say, end customers. We are very close to our customers. So we are listening them, and we are taking feedbacks from the customers. And we have many customers. They have all the feedbacks we are taking back, and then we are renewing ourselves. We are rebuilding the machines again to catch the best results. This is the one of the reasons. And also, we are doing the machines lab piece by piece. We are doing series production manufacturing, like 100 machines per year. Last year, we did approximately 4,000 machines in 1 year. So it means 4,000 experience, 4,000 feedbacks, And also it makes the cost low against the European machine suppliers, manufacturers, we can say.
Yeah, and when I look at your booth in here, I must say it's really impressive. You're producing huge machines and very advanced and precise. So it's really nice to watch it. Okay, so maybe one more question would be related to the future. So what trends are you identifying in this industry? And where do you think that the manufacturing is going?
I think food industry is going to do healthy products. This is we can see in the exhibition as well. So when the end customers eat something, they want to take advantage from the food. So it means it's not only the tests. If it is like a medicine or like something makes your health better. So food industry, it's really, we can see this is going to that side. But what about the machines? If we say it's maybe 3D drawings is there now, the machines are communicating each other. Also, we are doing with Mitsubishi brands. Then maybe there is other in the future virtual designs by the glasses, virtual services. Maybe this will be another step for the machine builders, we can say.
Mm-hmm. So basically a lot is going into this digital world, yeah? So the digital twins, some remote maintenance and this kind of technologies,
yes,
right?
Maybe virtual ones. And then you can check everywhere. And before you are doing the turnkey projects, you can check everything it is in the virtual place.
We identify something very similar, and we see this in our customer projects more and more often. So I agree that definitely that's the future. Okay, Mustafa, perfect. Thank you for talking to me. And I hope we will meet again, maybe in Turkey.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you.